Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi.
Murigeria bw'Ensoko TV kwani kurando nsi asore asomo goroba obono na bwego nukugena kwane buna kugendere bya serit kurigima na bwego nogendera tukubwate mirubiri yonsi y'Ensoko kurwa Ikomi nebere cheke mambi gwekera boni gacyaragire Chinsa Ikomi ngakyuka nyora Amayia asenchira y'ubwenge bunaberega kwarganiwa erikwene kibona naye kwemanyore hayagendera tasomo goroba obono tusanga subwamo wetera senchira y'omutanda gwekerera sensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV na mbema wasiliana kwenye gwetera ensabwo garabo kwenye gutuma ujumbe yago enyenge Eliane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakano omokonyi wekiama kia Jubilee Dr. Freddy Matiang'i nigagikira bororo ebikoro by'obusagani ebyo byanegetuwe mu Kyokembu engakiensemo ya siasa ya Linda Mwananchi eywe koragwa no seneta we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna yakorete taro yabo imeyorogongorwa rwagusi aso gusagana okwo nigabantu ao batigeretu chingoma ao enibugosariwa na boigo Kigali Matiang'i ase enkwane yayo mu Kyokembu rero engakiarenge inchira kogenda asamatanga ensemo ya Gionseri anyagusira Vincent Osiemo mapinduzi nigasabira omugusiko bamo na boigo kwenekia omorembe unekubwate
ngakite iyo yobogima bwaito bunabagusi twana komanyanga kisegi gorwanu kire keumbu igaiga twana komwana kisegi keumbu abantu baminto banyari bari rero ndagetemba te montegerere nyari bari yeyega yagambeirwe abarayi bagusi abanene bakumete historia ngima bonsipi yo bakinire tabande nyari bariga koruo mohaka James Nyamweya omogaka Andrew Manda omogaka Minto Simeon Nyachaurarire omogaka Professor Ngei nabagaka bonsi bagambire ga omogaka Machogo abonsi bina abantu baruwete ga nyari bari titwana gotwara obokaya yubo ngabantu babaje kwa magena keumbu abantu baminto tigamba debi igonko ligichikura isiko gana chagale ara sengenchege ndeke igongo etana na isiko onko ligichikura cha Kenya cho president bora ni numwandebi ndiki go sentige ko ligingo tara ko chikera asenko genda igo motagete ngende mwaka abantu amagenaga ngogenda buruya abantu basobo sibuna bagaka magena abantu baminto tigamba tebi abaguzi go basiare karete Kenya uno mwaka nyachare otunyuria korurondwa paka kihanja paka mpeketoni paka kirase tego toka ngani intwe tutagete ko kole bintu iga biko chikosareria abantu baite dieta bitagwenerete na ende siasa ituko ndio siasa gusiga yana kogera tochigo itera amanyinga kana abantu togoita na motagete topenye ngeche kabiri hapana ligichikura ne haki yao ko ligichikura fine lakini ligichikura na masikani no bwanchani na kozika abantu baito bagusi kwebona nge egento kiriya akore kana nege ntekebe oise korora mangana abeire iga nonye kware korora igoro koru olikarau ense ya ngiro Ese tiange tia serikali ese yangire serikali na ende tikaba tigo nyekongaina ngaina abantu boene bolinga abantu bakanire bone batege to bogambyo boye jenje nyia na ende manyetenga inche nonde tayare korusie sati to sukie gazi so wana to basa to tuaro bwanje ni abantu baminto to tuaro molembe
Asense moyende serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira ikoragwa n'umugabana Amos Nyaribo kubwaterana n'ekiombe kia Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation nigo ritikoria rero baigwere bene chinyomba cy'uburaro cy'aborokiwa baiseke n'abamura abeskuru ya secondary ya Riomego igotoke ward ya Kerenya nsemo y'ebunge ya North Mugrange County ya Nyamira bakwana hekere kyo nigo Nyaribo aereire gusakire mbi ya Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation asogosiroko entubaigo umorokyo manene bweskuru eyo amono yo mu bwaborokiwa bakirembuya na koria eira gukora umukia.
Yeka hapo kwa 3
2 1.
Na jita se M-Pesa Foundation wagaja utwagaja chidomu skuru. Chidomu jina ichi aerire ibere eyabana abanyaruka 200 na abana abamura 200 igora era twaje guchigura kirasime nagiye akatoreta towakera M-Pesa Foundation. Asante sana na watu waendelee kutumia Safaricom na M-Pesa. Asante, si mnaona wanasaidia? Yes. Wako tayari na 3 projects ongoing. Skuru te waji domne yabana ense me yense igo atoja na ramagendero amagendero tadi andos no kona komenta obomanyi obuya na abana banyore nafasi ingia basome bitabu baeta matemwa baje watokonya baje watagizi nafasi ya itamambi.
Today we are here in Nyamira and we're really happy to be in this school today. And what we have done, so from a Safaricom Foundation perspective, we have 3 pillars. We do education, we do health, and we do entrepreneurship as well. So today we are focused on the pillar of education, and what we did, we decided to construct the 2 dormitories. It has costed 35 million Kenya shillings to do the 2 dormitories. We will be able to house 400 students, 1 for the girls, 1 for the boys, and these are the citizens of the future.
And now the students are going to live in a very conducive environment which we enhance running. We are very proud of Safaricom Foundation. We are proud because of our governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, because he contacted the Safaricom people. Let us go, our parents are very happy. We are on behalf of the board of management. We are humbled. God bless you, and we look forward to future partnership.
Back there, we once had population pressure, and for now, we have sufficient dormitory and we have enough beds to lay our heads on. And we also promise that we will work extra hard to make them proud for this far they have brought us.
Oyo kurige kirukyo bogavane county ya Nyamira engineer James Kemoni nigagendere ko mochobo korerwe county ya Nyamira anene mono asikiri agotebanga bono igamagendero ao nalia chakire gokorwa kago kwana rero hasa matanga yamo ime yake gingense moye bunge ya borabu nigekerekyo Kemoni aborira bagusi koba amo
mwenyegetinge abantu baminto abantu bakeginga abantu banyamira ono mwana ino kurige kirukyo bogavana witera inyumba yacu akoro kwinjira James Kemoni na nateba tobe inyumba ye mamo ingakye ni tutoruwane twegene tena ntoramuri tangani nari toranyore goskumintu nege sakucha mwenyegetinge womwe gwete ndomateba nanda mokwira nankaga bakimoroje mbono tokare kokorerwe gasi Erito wendo korre via ketana ya ndo chinya kitari ko be kujire ndo je barabara ngoro su kujire lakini rende me chinya ta yetane tirarete etano kondola kore gas teme sudie ere ntama badiko Nyamira ere ndo bora Nyamira esikawa Nyamira igande na
aranayo abamenye kurwa Nyamerwe gotoka ewedi yabo gichorense mu bunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira niko bayerera makongo ari bagwetera asekenyore kigati yabo kipara chimbe chichigosoa NCMU na bwego chinguru cy'umurero Westima chitayo bakwanira abaralia nigo babulira barayi babo omo MCA kurwe ward yabo gichora na bwego mu bunge wense mu bunge yo ya West Mugrango babayenekeria magendero ase chinsemo echubune
ko chifta mayaka iga obo maene bwa mangana amangana rega Nyamiru atuchandike tuna pa mtabaru kukwana amangana tubwatana makongu sana chikura tukubeka kamiri na tukubeka saa 12 chikura tubegete lakini gasiko tokorera mbali gotokorera wana tusiuna ki inki bana mechandikiro estimo mane na pate bila ba mtuchikwa ina mucho chitete gorogaiga uchimekende nkeyo oko ile simnyo umwe mutapale para kuchikwa kwanya lisa sikero kendi ya rusu ule simime go kwanya ne simiri sasi ndiyo abandi kwanya ya tunyona machine na tuchandita so bwenge
si kwa machina tena mimi naitwa Licha Kianari nasema kwamba kura tumeweka saiti kwa wingi. Mtu anakuja anatutanganya anasema nitakwafanyia kazi, lakini kazi yenye tulimchagulia aende kufanya hafanyi. Kwa hivyo parapara hatuna, sitima hatuna, kutravel mpaka hapa ni sita sana. Wakati mvua inanyesha mambo yanakuwa mbaya kabisa. Watu wanateseka hapa.
Kakio tuchandegete nechikuru twabegete chionsi. Ntubwata abakongu.
Ntubwate abakongu gaiga ntubwate skuru mata secondary ko Nyamiru secondary school abalimu ngocha bara bali nechigari yabagocha bakwanyara bagusaba chitransfer kiagira chipara ntubwati chipare chigwe chiakwama estimator che bichanga byete gorabusa abantu bakonyora mbali bagutabokanirwa epara ochikoira simigo chachirigwa kwata ng'atari yaigo riroreso koira guchi asengenje igo chime guchirisa buma abantu mbabwati stima
atugusaba Steve Mugaka na George Morara bakikisha na ingotokonya bali 2027 yaikiri.
Sasa tunaomba Steve Mugaka atuangalie hapa Nyamiru sublocation atuweke stima.
Abara yeta tutorasari amagenderero kwanza para
Mheshimiwa Steve Mugaka twatebyo Mheshimiwa Morara batokonye pareye etuchandike gaiga butambe na butubwatoboko.
Murai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigaruro kubore gochiase abarai kwene kyomorembe obomo no kubwatira na hirigusukia ense bosio asa yabwatkire no bochore boke wense muye bunge yolikalawi county ya Nyandarua abwase umurwaneri weterekia makia DCP Sami kama waweru abayatumo bwina kumubwa Samuel Mushina kurekia makia UDA Ruto nigo amuboririe Sami kuba usekoba kolera bananchi bense muye bunge yolikalawi emeremo na kwenekia amagendero asensemeyo.
Na ndio mimi nauliza viongozi wote, hata yule mbunge amechaguliwa jana kule Olkalao. Sasa tumechaguliwa, sasa tuende kazi. Kila kiongozi atahesabiwa kazi yake wakati ukifika. Si ndio? Kila kiongozi atahesabiwa kazi yake. Wananchi wako na akili, wanajua. Kila kiongozi lazima ukuwe na track record. Lazima ukuwe na maono, lazima ukuwe na mpango, ndio tushirikiane sisi wote tuhakikisha kwamba tunabadilisha taifa letu la Kenya. Ya muhimu ni kuhakikisha kwamba wale wametuchagua maisha yao inabadilika. Tusiweke siasa, vitina, sarakasi, ukabila, chuki. Wananchi wakishaamua, sisi wote tunatembea pamoja kwa sababu tunataka lengo letu kama viongozi ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba maendeleo inapatikana, Kenya inabadilika, maisha ya wananchi inabadilika na taifa letu linasonga mbele. That is our commitment as leaders. Bungoma tumeelewana? Msikuwe na wasiwasi. Relax. Hii siasa sisi ndio mafundi wa hii kitu. Hii siasa tunajua kuitengeneza siasa vizuri. Hapa mbele sasa kiwanja itakuwa wazi. Tutakutana kwa kiwanja. Yes. Ama namna gani? Yes, tutakutana kwa kiwanja hapa. Ndio tukubaliane nani yako na sera. Nani yako na track record. Nani yako na mpango. Wananchi wataamua. Si namna hiyo? Ile kitu mimi nauliza wananchi wote wa taifa letu la Kenya, tudumishe umoja. Kwa sababu baada ya uchaguzi Kenya ni yetu sisi zote. Hatutaki maneno ati mpaka tunaamini ya kwamba uchaguzi inakuwa life and death ama inakuwa yani kufa kupona. Hapana. Kutakuwa na Kenya baada ya uchaguzi. Na lazima tuishi kama ndugu moja, watu wa taifa moja. So we must do that together.
Magega yomurwanire gwetere kiama kia DCP Sami Kamau wa Weru kobomo wina kumobwa Samuel Mushina kure kiama kia UDA sobo chorobo kewese muye bunge yolikalawe county ya Nyandarua aburi tukuregoro nigo muraiwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua agokero bubuyobwo chinga kisami alire eire yoguchia gwekerania magendero guchiase abamenyi bense muye bunge yolikalawe.
Mheshimiwa, nataka nikupongeze.
Asante sana.
You fought a hard fight.
Yes, sir.
Against a president, a deputy president, 7 cabinet ministers, 16 principal secretaries, 91 members of parliament, a train, 2 boats, 2,000 police officers, mattresses, shoes, goons, 14 billion worth of projects, 1.1 billion in cash, and you became victorious. Wewe ni mtoto wa Mungu. Wewe ni mtoto wa Mungu. And I want now to officially welcome you to the Itungati movement. Before your election yesterday we were 18, yes. Now we are 19. Yes. And we are very happy because our team is getting bigger. Please come and join our team. I have no doubt you will never betray our people. I am sure even if William Ruto offered you 100 million, you will not take. I am sure that they elected the best. Yes. And you can never betray the people of Olokalao. You can never betray our community, and you can never betray the people of Kenya.
So this win, all this glory, all goes back to God. Amen. Secondly, I want to thank the people of Olokalao. You've shown what you've been told by His Excellency. You withstood all those forms of bribery from government. From morning, you'd wake up to be ferried by vehicles, given rice, given beans, given cooking oil, given handouts going to thousands of money per person. People had even abandoned their farms because there was money flowing in our constituency. You withstood all that. And what I'm even more proud of is that yesterday you even withstood tear gas, gunshot bullets, and you protected all those polling stations. The people of Olokalao, I owe my presence here to you. You lifted me from dust. Against all odds, I have become the member of parliament of Olokalao. Yes. Mbarikiwe sana na nitawafanyia kazi kwa roho yangu yote. I promised you that I may not deliver much, but I promised you that I'll be there when you need me. Amen. I will defend the community and my people with my blood and my soul.
Kiama kia UDA insiomurikiwe kiama ekyo Hassan Omar Hassan nigo gia isanikire nenchire kyombegetere tobochore ni chimbebe kia IBC kia betege kwariganya obochore oboke wense mu ebunge yolikalawe county ya Nyandarua ase okwene kyobwene no bwasioku. Omar korende nigo abwate ngana yokomo mochia Gachagua buna ekobwatia.
My main one of the main subject matters of this presser today is to congratulate the IBC. You did a stellar job. You held us all to account. You let the popular will of the people of Kenya prevail. You ignored the title holder of press conferences, the insightful, hateful Rigathi Gachagua, who constantly has not met a single animal, a single institution, a single human being he dislikes that he has not profiled or spoken against. He is used to creating these tensions to subvert an election and to prepare to subvert an election result. But I can tell him for a fact, the IBC showed candor. The same IBC granted us victories that they rejected in 9 major by-elections that we've had. My first press conference was on Malava, was on Baringo County, and our coalition brothers and sisters, the broad-based in Magarini, Kasipul, and Unguja, won with distinction 100 over 100. The next by-elections in Isiolo and other parts of the country won 100 out of 100 in Banisa. The next by-election in Imura Dikir, 100 out of 100, won with distinction. This one, we did not emerge victorious, but it shows you that there's a shifting architecture of national politics, that former strongholds have become battlegrounds, and former battlegrounds have become the strongest of holds. And therefore, part of that is the reality of politics. But President William Ruto recognizes that the Mount Kenya vote did deliver him the government in 2022. He has gone out of his way to deliver his promise under the plan, and he's going out of his way to continue to deliver to every part of this country, including the region of Mount Kenya. And even in these by-elections, all of you will notice or will acknowledge that we went out of our way to ensure that nobody felt that we harbor any ill will, malice, or withdrawal from any of our constituency of supporters.
Magega yomo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna korusigwa ase kirogobo igobo koreri bwae ase bunge ya senate buno mokonyi bu minority whip abwo igoro no aiso kiria sentunde ntangani na kwerera buna kerekemo kegokorekana ase kiama kia ODM tikiri gokorekana kurwa ase nyumba ya chungwa korende ni guchiko okugokorwa ase nyumba nene yobora ibwense ase amauncherelio akorekana ta ase bunge ya senate ni gobono mo senator we county ya Migori Edio Cage aikaransire ase kirogekyo Sifuna ni gobo igo akwanire igoro ya makongu ao ayuagendrete kwenikiwa imeyense inse yoborai bwabono.
Unfortunately, we in ODM now, we have gotten to a place where we know that decisions affecting ODM and its membership are no longer made at Chungwa House. Those decisions, including the decision that followed yesterday to remove me from the position of deputy whip in the minority, all those decisions come from State House. All those decisions come from State House. And it is a sad situation to see what has happened to the party of Raila Odinga. So they have given us a brief here. As I said, these are the grassroots people. We have received reports on the crop failure in North Rift. They are telling us that because of drought in places such as Uasin Gishu and Trans Nzoia, we might not get a good crop this year. The gentlemen from Turkana have also told us that the irrigation schemes there have failed. And we want to take this opportunity to tell government that they must prepare for us to be able to tackle the problem that is coming ahead. Because of the crop failure, we know that there's going to be food shortage in the country. All across the country, these chairmen are telling us that the level of unemployment now has reached levels that is actually a threat to national security. Because most of these young people now, you can see, are choosing to involve themselves in goonism and other acts of violence so that they can fend for themselves. So the picture across the country, and we have chairmen here from 36 counties, they are telling us that the situation on the ground is very bad. We have reports that even businesses are struggling because the economic outlook and the purchasing power of Kenyans have been eroded due to some of these policies of this government, including the high taxation that has been imposed. So we have received a very good brief, and we as Linda Mwananchi are going to be the force for good, and especially in highlighting the plight of our people so that solutions can be made.
Ya soko chora en soko TV no bego kubwatia Amayia asenchire yubunge Chinsa Ikomi korende ensayemo ne Chinsa sato no chikumerana amonere Clinton ndigenga kera chiko ya retera ase enchira yubu ikeranu wekera buno tuwekera omwere asomogoroba obono Eliatriane Ishmael Mogere na bwega sense moyende oyoko konya worokereria ase baria batari kwegwa eliaye nigakumamenyekaine bunanere Salome Kerubo.